Are you in trouble of being locked out of your iPhone? Forgot the passcode to enter your locked iPhone? Maybe you want to try iTunes by restoring your iPhone. However, if you haven't turned off your Find My iPhone feature, there is no way you can restore your locked iPhone via iTunes. Then how can you unlock your iPhone without knowing the passcode? No worry, there is a way in which you can unlock your iPhone without passcode or iTunes. It also works even when you Find My iPhone feature has been turned on. Here is how to unlock the locked iPhone without iTunes. Step 1. Download and install iPhone Lock Wiper onto your computer. Step 2. Select Unlock Screen Passcode Mode and click Start. Then connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable and click Next. Step 3. Choose the firmware version provided and click Download. Wait a few minutes to download and verify the firmware package. When the verification succeeds, click Start to extract and kindly wait for it to complete. Step 4. Click on Start Unlock to begin. Step 5. Enter 000000 to doubly confirm you are agreeing to unlock your device. Then click Unlock. Your device will enter recovery mode automatically. And just in a few minutes, the iPhone will be unlocked and now you can enter your iPhone. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you are interested in this passcode removing tool lock wiper, click the download link in the description to give it a try. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends.